Hello, and welcome to Young Learners Beginner Level video. In today's lesson, we learn different names for boys and girls. First, let's start with the girls' names. They are Alice, Anne, Anna, Eva, Grace, Jill, Kim, Lucy, May, and Sue. Now repeat the names after me. Alice, Anne, Anna, Eva, Grace, Jill, Kim, Lucy, May, Sue. Now let's look at some boys' names. They are Alex, Ben, Bill, Dan, Hugo, Mark, Matt, Nick, Pat, Sam, and Tom. Now repeat the name after me. Alex, Ben, Bill, Dan, Hugo, Mark, Matt, Nick, Pat, Sam, Tom. Make sure to come back soon to watch another video or visit our website esleSchool.com.